Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make a beaded bracelet using memory wire and a few beads. It's very easy for the beginners. You could finish this project in 15 minutes or less. For the memory wire, I choose the heavy gauge like this one. It's 8 mm thick and in diameter is approximately 6 centimeter. You can also use smaller gauge like this one. It's approximately 6 mm thick and pliable. I use the heavy gauge because I like my bracelet sturdy. It depends on your preference. I cut the wire a little bit overlap because when I thread on beads, the wire will expand and makes the wire shorter than design. Better to keep it longer. Then cut it afterwards. But if you find that it's too short, you can use extension chain and clasp to finish the ends. The fun part is designing the bracelet. When I finish my design, most of the work is done. Then just thread the bead onto the wire. I like to leave both ends of the wire open because I like to see if I have a correct design. Also, if I make a mistake, I just start over again without to have to cut open the other end. Tips: you can use the silicone earring stopper like this one to stop the beads falling off. Check your work often and make sure that everything is in correct order. This is an important step because it saves your time and your energy, also your broken heart. I know because I made so many mistakes and have to redo my works again. I have learned it the hard way. To finish the bracelet, use the earring stopper to close one end of the wire before closing the ends of the bracelet. I use beads and UV resin. You can use glue or just bend the wire into the loops. Again, it's your choice. As you can see, I have a little bit of wire left. I thread on the end beads before cutting it, then glue the bead with UV resin to finish the piece. And these are the ends of my bracelet. It's so easy to put it on and take it off. This project is very easy, perfectly for a beginner. I hope you find this tutorial easy and inspire you to start creating. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.